Welcome to the third part of the BRINDA tutorial. In this video, I will briefly introduce BRINDA external decile for CRP in preschool children. This tutorial will be composed of two parts. What is the BRINDA external decile? When to use the BRINDA external decile? And if the external decile is not recommended, what should you do? First, let's briefly talk about what's the BRINDA external decile. Recall from the background video that we want to include a reference value for CRP or AGP to avoid over-adjust for low levels of inflammation. That is, in this scatter plot of log ferritin against log AGP, we want to obtain the green dot instead of the orange dot. One definition of low levels of inflammation across multiple datasets is the put lowest decile, i.e. the 10th percentile of CRP from individual datasets, and that's what we will use here. First, we calculated the country-specific deciles. Since the limit of detection for CRP from Georgia's survey was too high, we excluded it from further calculation of the BRINDA external decile. Then the rest 13 deciles were combined with the use of random effects meta-analysis to calculate a common estimate across the preschool children data. Now you may wonder, when should I use the external decile? Generally speaking, if assay's limit of detection for CRP is less than or equal to 0.1 mg per liter and AGP is less than or equal to 0.5 gram per liter, then use the BRINDA external decile. If not, then use individual survey decile. Thank you for watching the tutorial. If you have any question or need more information, please feel free to visit our website.